Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use Replit for Python programming. It's pretty easy. All you need to do is just go and open any browser that you have. Go to the URL section and type replit.com. Make sure that you're logged in into an account. For me, I'm already logged in. If you're not, just go and log in. If you don't have an account, create an account easily. So here, if you're not at this page, click on create something new on this left panel, and you shall find yourself right here. Here, you can either start by asking him to create you an example something. So maybe create me a calculator, maybe, that works with Python code or something like that. But if you want to start programming yourself, you don't want to initiate with AI, you can just click on plus and you can choose an example to upload your file. Maybe if you have a Python file that's already existing, maybe you have a Figma design and a lot of other things that you can use like a skill or something like that. So as an example for me, I'm just going to do import an existing project and I'm going to start from empty, start from a complete empty project without agent setup scaffolding. So if you're on free plan, you have 10 apps for free. So make sure to use that properly and good. So don't waste your apps for, if you're just trying as an example, you can delete them later in the project. So here, as you can see, I do have like the preview here where I can just move, draw, add text, add shapes and stuff like that. And for us, I don't want that at the moment. So you can go here to tools and files. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find here, find a file if you have some files. But for me, I'm just going to click on start a new file. The name of the file, I'm just going to name it test.py, which is Python, and hit the enter button. And as you can see here, we can start coding, or we can start coding basically Python using Replit. Of course, you can start from here with some code examples or add some powerful integrations. There are a lot of things that you can do. You can even choose some examples that they have, as you can see, like a factorial example, a hello world, loop, input, whatever you want. Of course, if you type it, you'll be able to find this right here. You can add your code later if you want to. So as you can see, so you can code as you do in any other place and Replit. And of course, if you want, you can even ask here the agents to help you, like help me create maybe a calculator with Python. So hit the enter button and it start doing the things for you. Of course, you have here many things to do, like you do have the console if you want to view the terminal outputs after running your code. You have Git, shell, whatever you want here, some integrations to publish, database to integrate, authentications, canvas, automation, so a lot of things that you can see. And of course, you have also an agent here on the left to help you out with whatever you want. And that's basically how you use Python inside Replit. So I just waited here for a couple of seconds until it's finished creating, for example, my calculator. And let's see as an example if it's working or not. As you can see, it's working as it should be. Of course, you do have this option here at the top right, which is basically where your library, where you find all your files as example. So you'll find here your file tree, so the main.pw or Python, the app, and everything that you want. Of course, you can delete a specific file, edit a specific file, as example, rename a specific file, or you can just go and access it right away. As you can see, you can access this and you can start making your edits. So that's basically how you use Python inside Replit. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.